What's up, guys? I'm here at Surf Expo with Jimmy Redmond, shaper for Liquid Force, one of the biggest genius in our sport. Jimmy, could you tell me a little bit about Kevin's board and what we got going on?
All right, well, you know, Kevin Henshaw is a slider animal. And, I mean, Kevin was really pushing the technology, pushing me to make a better board because he wanted something that I wasn't giving him in the boards we were making last season. So we started with the core. And what we did is we integrated a CNC core with wood and PVC. The foam to keep it light, the wood to give it a lively spring. It's got 3 stringers, 1 running through the center and 2 running through on either side of the board. You got the foam in between it to keep it light. But the main thing is, you know, we wanted all this tech going on in the board, we wanted to show it. So we used a translucent graphic so you can see right into the board what it is. Then we rounded the whole thing out with an elastomeric sidewall, just like a skateboard wheel. Super durable, bulletproof edge. And then on the bottom, so it'll...
Nothing, not a dent.
To top it all out, you know, so this board will just handle all the park abuse you can give it. It's got a screen printed PTEX base. So I mean, you can beat it up, gouge it, and if you really want, you know, you get a gouge in it, you can fix it with a PTEX candle just like your snowboard.
Nice.
Got a killer, really super lively flex. You know, Kevin wanted a little stiff in the middle, but a lot of tip flex. And then he wanted a smooth, clean bottom, so this just has a single concave, feathering out to flat for a really speedy board. Now, taking this technology as far as we can take it, I'd worked on new shapes with Sean Watson this year, and he has a conventional, you know, wakeboard coming out, the Watson, but I also wanted to give him a hybrid where I was going to have a slider base and flex combined into a new board. So with Watson's new hybrid, I mean, the base says it all.
OMG.
And it's not just a slogan. I mean, this has got everything in it. It's got a CNC'd core, foam, stringers either side, urethane sidewall, just like Kevin's board. But it's not a pancake. It's got the same bottom features that are in Watson's conventional board or in his hybrid. A triple concave running into a triple concave V through here, lifted rail.
So it allows you to ride the wake and hit rails all on the same day without switching your board.
You know, if you want one board to do it all, the Watson hybrid.
So what drives you to continue shaping these boards after all these years?
I mean, shit, I don't know what else to do. You know, I mean, I'm really lucky because I get to hang out with like the coolest, nicest, you know, most creative people in our sport, and we brainstorm, like we come up with ideas, and because every board starts off from scratch, the only limit's between our ears. I mean, you know, if a guy says, man, can I make a board that's like this? It's like, of course we can, because we're starting off with a block of foam. I mean, and if they can imagine it, I can picture it, I can shape it, and I love that. I mean, the feeling that, you know, every time Watson or Shane or Philip or now Kevin, they get on that first board, it's the only one in the world that exists. And if it's not right, we just keep going back to the drawing board again and again and again until it's perfect, and then get to start all over again. So I mean, it's just, I'm so stoked to do that.
Nice, Jimmy. Thank you. Me, the sport, the industry, thanks to you for all the wonderful shapes you've given us over the years.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jimmy.